Yes. Hello students. Today I go to chapter 2, part 3. Till up to part 2, students, I explain you 2.2 question number 5. But here now I going to part 3. It is a question number 6. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. Students, what the meaning for consecutive? Yes, a number to ahead x, nearby consecutive x plus 1 and x plus 2. These are the consecutive. So, suppose required 3 consecutive number. Students, consecutive means it is neighbor. Consecutive number are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2, and add them all. The total addition is given 51. So x, x plus 1 and x plus 2 is equal to 51. Now like term added, this x and this x, it become 3x, and 2 plus 1, 3 is equal to 51. So final students, you learned that 3x is equal to 51 minus 3. How much 51 minus 3? 1 gone, then 50, 2 gone, then it is 48. So what is the x? 48 by 3, which is 16. Yes. So last done, required 3 consecutive numbers. Students, this number already I assume here. One of the x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So this x value is total. Just applying 16. So here getting 16, 16 plus 1 and 16 plus 2. So my answer is 16, 17 and 18. These three are our final answer. If you verify this total addition, sure it get our 51 value, students. Students, this numerical for 3 marks and very easy and very simple. Consecutive given, that's why I assume that x, x plus 1, x plus 2. You also assume x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, students. That also very simple doing. Okay, right proper. And after that I go to next question. Third one. Now students, continue question number 7. Question is there. Sum of 3 consecutive multiples. Now students, consecutive sure, but multiples of 8 given. So first of all I highlight, these are the 8 numbers are the consecutive multiples. So students, I just explanation same. Consecutive number exemption be same, x, x plus 1 and x plus 2, students. But it is multiple of 8. That's why students, here you multiply the 8. Same also here multiply the 8, and here also same multiply the 8. So suppose required 3 consecutive multiples of numbers are 8x, same 8x plus 1 and same 8x plus 2. After that, students, check the summation is given 888. So its sum, it is 888. So I just apply in the addition form all values, and they get easily total plus value. So 8x plus, here 8x plus 8. Students, this 8 multiplied by x and 8 multiplied by 1. Similarly here 8 multiplied by x and 8 multiplied by 2. It is 16. 888. That's same. Now look at that. This number are the additions. How much 888? 8 3s are 24x plus 16 and 8. How much 16 and 8? Yes, it is 24. Is equal to 888. You same as write down. Now 24x is equal to 888 minus 24. So students, here side by side you just calculate 24 subtraction, and how much it is? It is 4, here 6 and here 8. So 24x is equal to 864. Now final I divided by 24. So x is equal to 864 by 24. But students, here just you now division values. So it's very easy. You first of all taking 24 divisible by 4, it is 6. Here also divisible by 4. 4 into something, so here divided by 4. How much? 4 2s are 8. Next, 4 1s are 4. How much? 2 remaining, so 24. So 4 6 are. So it is a 216. Final, this and this gone. Again you 216 divided by 6. Students, here divided by 6. Surely it is a 36, because 6 3s are 18. How much? 6 3s are 18, then remaining 19, 20 and 21. 3 remaining, 36. Yeah, 6 6 are. So this also cutting to 36. Means my x value is a 36. Now question read, find that multiples number. It means already you assume, students, and then assumptions numbers. I just define that final values. Therefore, required 3 numbers. One of the 8x, 8x plus 1 and 8x plus 2. That value students applying and happily done our final answer. So what is the getting the numbers after that? Yes, x is a 36. So 8 into 36. Next 8 into 36 plus 1, and next 8 into 36 plus 2. So they getting 36 into 8. Just students calculate side by side. Here 8 into 37 and here 8 into 38. So first I multiply 36 8s, students. How much? 8 6 are 48, 4 carry. 8 3s are 24, 24 and 4. It is 28. So it is a 288. Same here doing. Next students, 8 into 37. It means 37 8s are 7 8s are 56. 5 carry. And 8 3s are 24. 24 and 5, it is 29. So 296. And last getting 38 into 8. Same students, 38 into 8. Just you product it last data. So 8 8s are 64. 4 carry, 6 here. And then 8 3s are 24. 24 and 6, it getting 30. 3 zeros 4. Now just you verify, students. You just sum up the all. 288 plus 296 plus and the 304. Add them all. And surely it's getting 888. Check out 8 and 6 14. 14 and 4 18. 1 carry. Here 10 and 8 18. 1 carry. 2 to the 4 and 5 and 3 8. That's your required summation, students. So my last answer, that is the true 288, 296 and the 304. Right, proper. And verification must be, students, apply for the numbers of multiples of 8. Yes. Now one more numerical, students. Question number 8. It is a IMP question, most probable asking in exam. 3 consecutive integers given in increasing order, but they multiply by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. So students, suggestion I same. These are the increasing order. One of the x, one of the x plus 1 and one of the x plus 2. And multiple with 2, 3, 4. It means, students, here you taking first data multiply by 2. Means here I multiply by 2. Second, multiply by 3. And third, multiply by 4. It's very easy sum. So, suppose required numbers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. These are suggestions and it's multiplied by 2, 3, 4. So very easy. It's multiple by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Then the numbers are, what is the numbers are? Yes, 2x, 3x and 3x plus 1 and 4x plus 2. And that are the all additions given 74. So its sum are the added given. How much? 74. So you just added 2x plus 3x plus 1 plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 74. Now students, these all are the multiplied. 2x, here 3 into x and 3 into 1. So 3x plus 3. Continue. 4x plus 8 and is equal to 74 is as it is. Now students, just check out your like terms. 2x, 3x, 4x. How much? 3 and 2, 5. 5 and 4. Total 9x. Here I go in students. Next 3 and 8. 11 is equal to 74. So 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. How much? 74 minus 11? Yes, 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 1, 6. So final done. X is equal to 63 by 9. So 7's are. And this x is finished here students. Now finally this x apply in our suggestion value. So what is our suggestion value? Are the respectively numbers and put down that all are the values for. So required 3 numbers are, already you assume that students, multiply that after x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So what is your x number? 7, 7 plus 1 and 7 plus 2. So finally done. Here 7, 8 and 9. Now students, you go to verification. First number multiply by how much? 2. Second number multiply by 3. And third number multiply by 4. And add them all and checking your verification is true or not. Students, necessary verification apply in exam also. So I just going ahead to 2. X is what? 7. Here 7 plus 1 and here 7 plus 2. So finally you getting 14. Here 8 and here 9. Check them. It is 14. 8 3s are 24 and 9 4s are 36. So total summation 14 plus 24 plus 36. Check how much? 24 and 36. 30, 40, 50 and 60. 70 and 4, 74. That's a become verification students here true. It means numbers are 7, 8, 9. But multiply by 2, multiply by 3 and multiply by 4. Here finally students done. And it's very easy solutions. Similarly students, I go ahead 9th one. Question is that the age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Students, here ratio is given 4 years later. It means after the future tense 4 years, the ages will be total sum is 56 and asking their present age. So students, first of all I assume that 5 and 7 related. Suppose common age ratio between both is x. So what is the present age of first of all Rahul, and similarly present age of Second person, Harun. Is that, see, ratio are given 5:7 students, and common ratio are between taking x. So here write down 5x and here 7x years. Now after 4 years, 4 years later, so continue. 4 years later, students, age of what? Rahul will be same as age of Harun will be. Students, here wait and check. After 4 years you going, it means 5x plus that 4 years added. Similarly here 7x plus 4 years, and that summation is given, students, here how much? Yes, 56. So here total given age is for 56. So I just added 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. Yes, students. This 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4, here are the like term, 5x and 7x. How much? It is 12x. And 4 and 4, it become 8 is equal to 56. Now students, 12x same, 56 minus 8. How much? Students, try it. How much 56 minus 8? Yes, 6 here gone. Only remaining to 2 and 2 also subtracted. It is 48. So what is the x? 48 by 12. It is 4 za. And this x is covered to common ratio between that. And my target is present age of Rahul and present age of Harun. Last right answer. Present age of. Finally students, done here. Present age of Rahul. How much? It is 5x. So 5 into 4. We get 20 years. Same as present age of Harun. Check them. Second person is, assume that 7x. So students, here you apply 7 value and 5 value. So here 7 into 4 become 28 years. That much is your final answer for this numericals. If you added 20 and 28 total, after that 4 years, sure it covered to 56. Because here after 4 years it getting 24, and here after 4 years then 32. So total adding, it is a 56 years. Write properly. And it's very easy numerical, students. Now similarly same numerical, students, 10th and 9th are totally same copy. Number of the boys and number of the girls are in ratio given 7:5. So students, here highlight your 7:5. And number of the boys is 8 more than number of the girls. So here same my assumption for the ratio wise. Suppose the common ratio of boys and girls is x. Just assumption. Now number of the boys and number of the girls ratio 7:5. So total the number of boys and similarly number of girls are in according to ratio wise 7:5, students. So here I write down 7x and 5x. Now read the question, students. What is question? Number of the boys is 8 more than number of the girls. So here just showing number of boys is equal to 8 more than number of girls. So just to apply number of boys, how much? 7x. Girls 5x total and is equal to 8. Now students, this value just you apply in the additions form and solution wise. So 7x, look at that, 5x right side to left side converted, minus 5x is equal to 8. So how many? 7 minus 5? Yes, 2x. So x getting 8 by 2 and which is 4. So x ready for here. Now my target, how many total strength? So I going first of all number of boys. Students, how much number of boys here? 7x. 7 into 4, 28. Same as number of girls. How much? It is 5x. So 5 into 4, it get 20. And my target last, achieve here students, total strength. It means addition of both number of boys and number of girls. Therefore, total students in class, number of the boys are 28 and girls are 20, and add them all, they total getting 48 students, and that's much is my answer students for this numericals. One more time explain. Suppose the common ratio between boys and girls is x. Ratio is given 7:5. So I taking here 7x students and 5x. Now given number of the boys is 8 more than number of girls. Put at their values, simplify and getting the x value 4. Now this x value 4 students, number of the boys apply 7x. 7 into 4 is a. Girls 5 into 4 is a. So total answer over here, and total strength number of the students 28 plus 20, we get total 48. Now continue students. Question number 11. Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather and 29 years older than Bharat. It means smallest is a brother, Bharat, smallest age. After that age, his father, and after that the biggest age, his grandfather. So solution. First of all, suppose present age of Bharat be x years. I just assume for the Bharat age. Now read that. Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather and 29 years older than Bharat. It means after that present age of Bharat father. How many that? Yes, it is x plus 29 older than this value is for his father. Now after the 29 years older than his grandfather. So I just taking present age of Bharat grandfather. How much? Yes, x plus 29. That 26 years older than this value. So again assume that Bharat is x present age, father is x plus 29, and grandfather Bharat father is 2 and more than that 26 years old. So it is how much total? X plus 29 plus 26. So 6 and 9, 15, 1 carry 5, 55 years. X plus. Now sum of the all ages. Sum of the all ages. How much? 135 years. So Bharat age, his father age, and his grandfather age. These all are added and they are getting some little values. Therefore, these are the total addition. X, X, X. It is 3x. And 29 plus 55, 9 and 5, 14, 1 carry, 3 and 5, 8 is equal to 135. Now students, 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. So how much? 135 minus 84? Yes, it is 1. And here 13 minus 8, 3 and 2, 5, 51. So it is 3x is equal to 51. It means you easily getting values of x. Yes, after that That value is x. Duster. How much? X is equal to 51 by 3. It is 17. Means x value is getting only 17. Now this x value students apply for the birth age, father age and grandfather. Therefore, age of birth is only x. So 17 years. His father age. How much father age? Yes, it is x plus 29. So 17 plus 29. Just you add it. They getting just simple value. 7 and 9, 16. 1 carry. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 4. 46 years. And last, age of grandfather. This total age, already you assume that x plus 55. Students, you just added 17 plus 55. So how much it is? 7 and 5, 12, 1 carry, 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 5, 7, 72 years. After that students, you just verify this result are 135 years or not. So sum of the all ages, I just verification here. Sum of all ages. So Bharat age, already you done 17 years plus father 46 years and last grandfather is 72. Now added you all. So 7 and 6, 13, 14 and 15, 1 carry. 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 4, 6, 6 and 7, 13, 135 years. Yes students, now continue. 12th question. 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. It means students present age I just suggest first. So suppose present age of Ravi be x years. So what is the age? 15 years from now. It means students in the future tense. After 15 years, age of Ravi will be, surely it is x plus 15 years. Now students read the question. 15 years from the now, age of the Ravi will be 4 times this present age. It means x plus 15 is that 4 times its present age. And present age I know. How much? It is 4x. Now this x and this 4x I students just combine. So 15 is equal to 3x. This equal to, calculate further. So 3x is equal to 15. X is getting 15 by 3 because dividing by 3. Here also dividing by 3 and that cancel. 3 5s are. So what is x? Yes, x is equal to 5 and that's the last answer. Present age of Ravi is 5 years. So lastly I mention answer. Present age of Ravi is 5 years and here our done this question students. Correct? Similarly students, question number 13. First of all I read the question. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2/3 to this product, then you getting minus 7 by 12. What is the number? So first of all, suppose required number be x, I just assumptions. Read that. This rational number you multiply it by 5 by 2. So continue its multiply by 5 by 2. So we get students, if you multiply 5 by 2 with x, you getting x with 5 by 2. It means students 5x by 2 and this number you add 2/3. Now adding 2/3 to given result, we get how much? We get -7/12. So you just 5x by 2 plus 2/3 is equal to -7/12 as it is. Now I just taking the LCM, students. 2, 3 and 12. How much LCM? Yes, it is 12. So we multiply 12 their LCM on both sides. Students, compulsory you LCM multiplication to both sides. So here 12 multiply 5x by 2, again 12 multiply 2/3, and here 12 multiply -7/12. So look at that. Here 2 6s are gone, here 3 4s are gone, and here 12 12s are gone. So only this 6 into 5 you getting here 30x. Next 4 2s are 8 and is equal to, it is -7. Finally 30x in 7 plus 8, students. You just added 7 plus 8. How much? 15. Now this 30 divided by that 15 by 30. So x is equal to 15 ones are, and here 2s are. So x become just here 30 multiply after 1 by 2. So required number is half, and that's your students final answer. And here ending this sum. It's very easy sum. One more time explain. Suggestion number x multiply by 5 by 2. So I just here first multiply 5 by 2. After that adding to 2/3. And you get -7/12. And here students simplify to taking your LCM. And LCM wise you just suggestion apply that values and easily getting answer is half. Yes, students, this question for IMP for exam. Question is that Lakshmi is cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations are rupees 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. And she has the ratio given for the numbers wise notes 2:3:5. And total amount with Lakshmi is a 4 lakhs. Find out how many notes for each denomination does she have. So students, it's very easy. First of all, I assume that by the ratio wise always this ratio wise I start my sum. So make them table here. One of the currency notes for the respectively here notes wise currency notes. We have two different types of notes. One of the 50 rupees, sorry, first of all 100 rupees, next 50 rupees and 10 rupees. Ratio wise the given ratio of the notes, look at that. First 100 rupees given respectively 2x. So common ratio here you assume, students, common ratio is x. So what is the first ratio? Yes, it is 2x. Second 100 rupees after the 50 rupees for 3x, and last 5x. These are the our common ratio. Now look at that, students. Total amount she have to given 4 lakhs. So here I translate the amount. So currency notes multiply by that amount. So 100 rupees each note. 100 rupees is 1. 200 rupees then 2 notes. So here 100 into 2x, you getting 200x. Same as here 50 into 3x, it get 150x, and last 10 into 5x, it gets student 50x. These are the all currency. You just make the total. So how much here total? Yes, 200 and 100 means 350. 350 plus 50. It is a 400x. But total amount we have to given. How much? Yes, it is a 4 lakhs. So you just carry forward 400x is equal to 4 lakhs. That was an easily decided value of x. So 4 lakhs divided by 400. This cancel, this cancel. And only 4 and 100 cancel. So what are you getting? Only 1, 0, 0, 0. 2 0 gone. Only 3 zeros here remaining. So it is a 1000. Now students, this x value I just apply in the respectively suggestions of different types of notes. So first of all, 100 rupees currency note. So first 100 rupees currency notes. We have to 2x. 2 into 100, 1000, sorry. It is a 2000 notes. That are the values for answer. Now, second 50 rupees currency notes. How much? It is 3x. So 3 into 1000. It get 3000 notes. Students, don't worry. I also verify here. And after that, last 10 rupees currency notes is equal to 5x. So 5 into how many x? 1000. It is a 5000 notes. These are the total notes. And here numerical are almost done. But now students, I go to verifications. Necessary. Apply the verifications. So verify. How many notes? 2000 notes for currency 100 rupees. So here just taking to notes for 2000 and into 100 rupees notes. It is notes of rupees. This is 100 rupees. So how much total? It is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 0. It means 2 lakhs rupees. Now continue 3000 notes into 50 rupees. So 5 3s are 15. 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. Means 1,50,000 or last 5000 notes for 10 rupees. It means 50,000. 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. Make them total. Surely it get 4 lakhs rupees. These are the our total amount she has. Yes, continue students. Question number 15. I have a total rupees 300 rupees in a coin of different types of denominations, 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees coins. Yes, now continue students. Question number 15. I have a total 300 rupees coins for the denominations for 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coins. And the given statement, the number of the 2 rupees coin is 3 times number of 5 rupees coins. In total number of the coins is given 160 students. Find out the each coins for the individuals total how many. So first of all, read these questions again, and this data I utilize. Number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times number of 5 rupees coins. So students, first I going to our little table. Here just show about 1 rupees coin. Next 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. And here just total making the coins. Different types of. Read again. 2 rupees coin is 3 times number of 5 rupees coin. So 5 rupees coin I just assumption x ratio is. Okay. Now again read. 5 rupees coins, the number of the 3 times the 2 rupees coin. So total reading. Number of the 2 rupees coin is 3 times the 5 rupees coin. Means here 3x. Because 2 rupees coin is a 3 times for the 5 rupees coin. And total coins I have. How many total coins? 160. So this 1 rupees coin is a 160 minus 3x plus x, that much. It means indirectly how much? 160 minus 4x. These are our total, our coins. Now amount wise, I going to, what is the amount wise? Total amounts I know 300 rupees. So here just mention 300 rupees. Now this into 1s are. So 1 into 160 minus 4x. Similarly 2 into 3x and last 5 into x. And that much total I just applying in the total amount we have to. So I have total amount. How much? 300. So here 160 minus 4x plus this, how many students? 3 into 2? 6x. This I multiply, yeah? And lastly 5x. 300 same. So 160 minus, these are 5 and 4, 6 to 11. 11 minus 4, it is 7x is equal to 300. So 7x is equal to 300 minus 160. Students, just you subtract it. 300 minus 160, how much it is? Yes, here 2 and here 10 carry. So here 4, it is 140. So x is equal to 140 by 7, which is 20. So students, here x value is getting easily. Now I converted my final answer. How much final answer? Each denomination's number of the coins asking. Therefore, 1 rupees coin. How much 1 rupees coins? 160 minus 4x. So apply that. 160 minus 4, x is known 20. So 160 minus 80. It is 80 coins for 1 rupees coins. Same students, I go to 2 rupees coins. Here I mention 2 rupees coin. How much it is 2 rupees coin? Yes, it is 3x. So 3 into total 20 means 60 coins. I have 2 rupees coin and last 5 rupees coin. It is x only and already x I know, it is 20 coins for 5 rupees coin. Now students, I go to verifications. Check them. Total our verification is true or not. So here you apply verify. 1 rupees coin. How much? 80. It means it is 80 rupees. Now 2 rupees coin. How much 2 rupees coin? Yes, it is 60 coins. So how many total? 62s are 120 rupees. And finally 5 rupees coin. How many? It is 20. So it is 100 rupees. Now total adding 1 and 1, 200 and 80 and 20. It is 300 rupees. Our total amount and here our tally for according to our portion wise. Students, 1 rupees coin 80, 2 rupees coin 60. So it is 120 rupees. And 5 rupees coin to 20. It is means total 100 rupees. And that's your easily getting the answer. Now students, question 16 is the last question for this exercise. And this is our part video number 3. The organization of an essay competitions decide that a winner in these competitions get prize 100 rupees. And a person does not win, the prize is 25. It means students, a participant getting if you prize. If you win, then 100 rupees. And not win, then 25. So these two criteria level I just explain here. And total money distributed how much? 3000. And total number of the participant is 63. So there are the two types of participants. So I just first of all draw the little table, one of the participant. Two types of participant, winner and not winner. So winning and not winning. Winner participant and not winning participant. So continue, just read that. Organization of an essay competition decide that winner are getting to 100 rupees. So there are total 63. So here just I assume that maybe here ratio for the winning is X. And this how much? Total participant I have 63. So it is a 63 minus X. For not winning, these are matches. Now prize are distributed for the winning competition getting the 100 rupees. So here 100 rupees and not winning for 25 rupees. So total winning prize are distributed for the subject wise X into 100. So it is 100X rupees. Same as here 63 minus X with 25 rupees. Because if you not winning, then also the getting the 25 rupees. Now this and this total amount I distributed how much? It is 3000. So here just total distributed amount, it is a 3000 rupees. And easily they are further calculate. So 100X plus 63 minus X into 25 is equal to 3000. Now students, 63 with 25 and 25 with X, these two are the multiple. So first of all I check down. So 63 into 25 is how much? It is 0. 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31. So here 5, 7, 5 and here 1. 1575. So 100X plus 1575 minus 25X is equal to 3000 rupees. Now you students join that like terms. Yes, 100X minus 25X, these two like terms. So 100X same as 25X and here 3000 minus 1575. So it gets 75 here. And here how much? 3000 minus 1575. Students, I calculate by the number wise. Here 3000 minus 1575. Just here subtract from here 2, 9, 9, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Here 2, here 4 and here 1. 1, 4, 2, 4. Sorry, my mistakes. Here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 1, 4, 2, 5. Again checking. 100 minus 5, 5. Here 2, here 4 and here 1. 1, 4, 2, 5. And final values. After that getting students X. So 75X. 1425. So what is the X? 1425 by 75. Now students, I think you just here troubling for the division. So don't worry. 75 I known. 25 3s are. And this also I divided to possible outcomes just 5s are. So 1425 divided by 5. Divide them. 5 2s are 10. 4 carry. I just taking to minimum divisible. 5 2s are 10. 4 carry is a 42. 5 8s are 40. 2 carry. 25 and 5 5s are 25. It get 285. Students, these 5 5s are gone. Again these 5s are gone. 285. So 5 5s are 25. How much? 3 carry. 3 carry means 35. 5 7s are. It means you getting only 57 by 3. And 57 by 3 also gone. 5 1s are 5. How much? 2 means 27. 9s are. So here students, finally X ready. So winning participant is X confirm and not winning participant also for the 63 minus X. Therefore, I have here final solution. Therefore, finally a winning participant. How much? X. It is 19. And a not winning participant is 63 minus X. So 63 minus 19. You just subtracted it. Here 5s are. Here 10s are. 13 minus 9. How much? Yes, it is 4. And here 4. 44. Total, you are not winning participant students. So finally winning participant 19. Not winning participant 44. And here our this numerical students happily done. And here our exercise is also done students. And final ending this exercise. After that I go to next parts in the next video. Thank you.